Ministry Professionals love this. Our second thing is we want to celebrate National Library Week. So if you will show your book,
why are there so many people on double stack?
I really want
The whole school?
picture because I want to start reading all the books that you guys have shown. Okay, I think we have our book. Perfect. And then we want to do a shout out for Earth Day. So if you will hold your Earth Day, whatever that you do, if you will hold that in your picture, in your screenshot, thank you, Mr. Okay, and he has that one. All right, so that's